Morning students. Today we discuss next property of atom of elements, that is electron gain enthalpy. So in previous video we will discuss about ionization enthalpy and effects and how it's vary from along the period and down the group. So today we discuss next property, that is electron gain enthalpy, means to during the gain of electron energy release. So ionization enthalpy is energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. Electron gain enthalpy की है energy released during the electron gain. So the energy released when electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom to form a gaseous negative ion. So वो energy ਜਿਹੜੀ release ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ electron add ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਕ gaseous atom to form a negatively charged ion. So suppose A is any atom in gaseous state, so it gains electron and form a negative ion. So the enthalpy released during the reaction, that is called electron gain enthalpy. So unit of electron gain enthalpy, that is same kilojoule per mole. So it may be exothermic or endothermic. Maybe mostly in cases, maximum cases, energy released during the gain of electron, but in some cases it is endothermic, especially after one electron gaining. Second electron gain enthalpy is mostly positive in nature. So energy released in many cases, so it is taken as negative. So electron gain enthalpy the value की लवांगे negative लवांगे. So what are the factors which affecting the electron gain enthalpy, or which electron gain enthalpy depends? So there are three factors on which electron gain enthalpy depend. First one is nuclear charge. Electron gain enthalpy more negative as the nuclear charge increases. जिन्ना nucleus ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ charge ज़्यादा होगा, इट मीनस उन्नी जड़े इनकमिंग इलैक्ट्रॉन उन्होंने अट्रैक्ट करने की टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा होगी. इट मीनस ज़्यादा एनर्जी जी हैगी और रिलीज़ होगी. इट मीनस ज़्यादा नैगेटिव वैल्यू होगी साढ़े को इलैक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी दी. इट मीनस हाई इलैक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी. मोर विल बी द न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, मोर विल बी द इलैक्ट्रॉन attracting capacity towards itself. It means the nuclear charge is high and also electron gain enthalpy more negative due to increase in nuclear charge. Next, that is size of atom. Due to increase in size, electron gain enthalpy decreases. Why it's decreases or towards positive value? Because increase in size of atom, the distance between the nucleus and the incoming electron increases. It means there will be a less attraction between the nucleus and incoming electron. That's why electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative with increase in size of the atom of an element. So jada size that is inversely proportional to electron gain enthalpy as like a ionization enthalpy. Next, electronic configuration. The elements having stable electronic configuration of half-filled or fully filled have small tendency to accept electron. Why? Because half-filled electron configuration and fully filled electronic configuration have stable. In case of noble gases, they have no need or no requirement to gain an electron. But half-filled also have no tendency to gain the electron because half-filled configuration is also stable. So that's why the addition to accept the additional electron, the gain enthalpy less negative. Next, we discuss the variation of electron gain enthalpy down the group and along the period. First, we discuss variation of electron gain enthalpy down the group. So down the group, electron gain enthalpy less negative value due to increase in size and nuclear charge. So there will be a both increase in atomic size as well as a nuclear charge, but atomic size more increase as compared to nuclear charge because down the group there will be a addition of new shell in case of 1s 2s 3s. So एक नवा साढ़े को शैल है जो इलैक्ट्रॉन ऐड हो रहा है. सो इस करके जो इनकमिंग इलैक्ट्रॉन है दैट फील लेस अट्रैक्शन टुवर्ड्स द न्यूक्लियस. इट मीन्स इलैक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी वैल्यू इज लेस नेगेटिव in case of top the group. So top to bottom electron gain enthalpy have a less negative value, so it means it decrease down the group when we move from top to bottom. Next, we discuss variation along a period. Along the period, electron gain enthalpy more negative due to decrease in size and increase in nuclear charge only up to group 17, because group 18 have positive electron gain enthalpy because they have fully filled configuration, which we discuss in important trends of electron gain enthalpy. So we know that along the period atomic size decreases because the addition of electron in the same shell. It means they have more tendency to attract the incoming electron by the nucleus because nuclear charge also increases per atomic number. So atomic number increase, it means nuclear charge per atom also increases. So it means have maximum attraction towards the incoming electron, and electron negativity, electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity have more negative value due to decrease in size and increase in nuclear charge. So next we discuss some important trends in electron gain enthalpy. First one is halogens have highest negative electron gain enthalpy. Why? Because its electronic configuration, general electronic configuration, that is ns2np1. It have only one electron required to complete the outermost shell or valence shell, because ns2np5, it need only one electron. It means if it gain one electron to attain a stable noble gas configuration or get stabilized. That's why they have a maximum release of energy during the gain of electron. So that's why halogen have highest negative electron gain enthalpy than other periodic table elements, because they required only one electron, that's to attain a noble gas configuration or a stable gas stable. Next, electron gain enthalpy of noble gases are positive, while beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen and phosphorus are almost zero value. Why noble gases have positive electron gain enthalpy value? Because the electron gain enthalpy of noble gases are positive because they have stable electronic configuration ns2 np6. They have fully filled shell, so it means they have no tendency to take an additional electron. So the incoming electron enters into the higher principal quantum level, which is not possible, and it doesn't feel any attraction towards the nucleus. So that's why they have maximum energy or required force the electron in their atom. So that's why they have a maximum energy required, or electron gain enthalpy is highly पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, क्योंकि पहले ही साढ़े को स्टेबल नेचर है. सो दे हैव नो टेंडेंसी टू गेन इलैक्ट्रॉन. जे हुई भी तो साढ़े को एनर्जी रिलीज़ नहीं होगी, सगों एनर्जी सानू प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी टू एड दी इलैक्ट्रॉन इन देयर नेक्स्ट शैल, क्योंकि एक शैल इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दे हैव दोज हैव दे ऑलरेडी फिल्ड दी इलैक्ट्रॉन. सो टोटली फिल्ड दी इलैक्ट्रॉन जो हैगे. सो नैक्सट ऑर्बिटल दे विच सानू जाण लई इलैक्ट्रॉन ऐड कर ਲਈ अपने वालों एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स वाई दे हैव पॉजिटिव इलैक्ट्रॉन गेन. And next, beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen or phosphorus almost zero, because in case of beryllium and magnesium 2s and 3s orbital completely filled. That's why they have no tendency to gain electron. But in case of nitrogen and phosphorus, they have half-filled configuration. So in case of nitrogen and phosphorus, they have half-filled configuration in 2p orbital and half-filled electron in 3p orbital. So that's why they have a very low electron gain enthalpy or almost zero, because they have stable configuration, because we consider that half-filled and fully filled configuration electron of orbitals that are stable configuration. So next, the important trend of electron gain enthalpy, that is in first trend we discuss halogens have highest negative electron gain enthalpy, but there is an exception. Electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative than chlorine. We already discussed when we move from top to bottom, the electron gain enthalpy decreases. But in case of halogen, fluorine is the topmost element of the group 17. It means fluorine have maximum electron gain enthalpy as compared to other group member. But there is exception, because fluorine has less negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. Why? Due to small size and more inter-electronic repulsion for incoming electron in case of fluorine, but in case of chlorine, large size and less inter-electronic repulsion. I will explain with the help of Bohr's model of an electron. Sade koi nucleus there are 2 electron in K shell and 7 electron in L shell. That is a very very small size. When this 8th electron comes towards the L electron, this electron feel attraction towards the nucleus, but there will be a repulsion between electron क्योंकि same charge एक दूसरे को repel करते हैं. Due to small size, more repulsion between electron. That's why it is difficult to gain electron or leaves less energy to during the addition of electron, क्योंकि कितने ना कितने उस electron gain कर लिए ना energy है जड़ी utilize भी करनी पड़नी है. That's why they have less negative electron gain enthalpy. But in this case, chlorine, it contains 3 shells K, L, M, which have large size as compared to F, because that have contain only 2 shells K, L. But in case of chlorine, it has K, L, M, three principal shells. It means the incoming electron does not feel more interelectronic repulsion as compared to fluorine. So that's why chlorine has the highest electron gain enthalpy as compared to fluorine, but other group members have less negative value of electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. So see the graph. So सब तो minus 328 kilojoule per mole fluorine, maximum highest electron gain enthalpy in the periodic table, that is chlorine minus 349 kilojoule per mole. In case of bromine it's minus 325 kilojoule per mole. In case of iodine minus 295 kilojoule per mole. And similarly we discuss here first electron gain enthalpy and second electron gain enthalpy, like ionization enthalpy. If addition of one electron, energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell, first electron, that is first ionization enthalpy. In case of second, that is second ionization enthalpy. So similarly in case of electron gain enthalpy, oxygen isolated gaseous atom gain first electron to form a O negative ion, that is electron gain enthalpy first, that is minus 141 kilojoule per mole. In case of after gaining one electron, it have tendency to gain one more electron, that is O2 negative, but this electron gain enthalpy is highly positive. Why? Because due to the addition of this electron to the oxygen, required energy to add the electron, so that's why it has a positive value. Clear? So this is your third property of atoms of an element in the periodic trend. So if you have any doubt in case of electron gain enthalpy or their factors, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubts. So these three questions are very much important. And which atom have highest electron gain enthalpy than halogen, that is chlorine. And other exceptional questions are also arise. Thank you.